Welcome to the 11th Annual STEM Festival, brought to you by Lisa Academy. In our 11th year, we're hosting this year's exciting event here at the University of Arkansas. We're welcoming more than 1,000 students and participants here to celebrate STEM in K through 12.
It's a true pleasure and an honor to be here at the Arkansas STEM Festival. This is an incredible event that showcases not just talent, but potential.
We made one that it can do a 180 scan throughout the day, so it can collect more light than the ones that are in one position.
Who are the brightest young minds in the entire state of Arkansas?
If I shine a flashlight, let's say over here, it'll take us a minute to scan. So right here is where the most light is.
I have the smart gate opener, which will help make roads safer.
I think it's important just to show kind of what it gives the public new ideas, and it can lead to something bigger in the future.
What will not change is the value of an education and a rich set of experiences interacting with what's possible, with what's actual in front of us, and how we can make it all better.
170,000 house fires happen because of your stove, and so that's what made me want to make this project.
Because innovation doesn't happen just in a classroom. It happens when we start making connections between transportation, between an environment, between technology and society, between the challenges that we face and the solutions that you dare to imagine.
It was a kind of a difficult task, a lot of time. It took me about a week, but I found it to be pretty fun. This really pushes me to do something more than just the bare minimum, essentially.
Thank you so much for your willingness to come to our campus and to share all the ideas that so many of you have worked hard on for many months. You understand support, collaboration, cooperation. This is key. You are our future. We're counting on you, and you're learning all the things to make it a good future for all of us. Welcome to the University of Arkansas. We love having you here.
Well, I've liked studying tornadoes for a few years, so I just wanted to make something like this. Well, we can explain why and how dangerous they are and what you need to do when there's one coming towards you.
And whereas the Arkansas STEM Festival provides a way to engage Arkansas students in STEM projects, now therefore I, Doug Sprouse, do hereby proclaim Friday, April 11th, 2025 as Arkansas STEM Festival Day. And I encourage the citizens of Springdale and Northwest Arkansas to promote the STEM curriculum for its vision and for our youth of today and tomorrow.